Getting fat is something I have a lot of experience with, as you can tell. My build is starting to get a little bit like a retired cop. You know, just really heavy set. I've been actually thinking about getting a pair of those glasses. You all know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. No, but I have been getting bigger. The thing is that when you get in a long-term relationship, which we gotta do long-term relationships in your priorities kind of change when you get in a long-term relationship. Am I right? Like, I mean, not to say that you don't want to look good for your person, right? You still, you gotta take your wife, but you kind of get away with a little bit. Like, all right. For example, when I was single, I used to go and lift weights to pick up and take out women, but now my girl waits for me to pick up takeout. It is nice though because she's a little bit more forgiving, which I appreciate. I do have a personal trainer for a brother. Anyone else have that nightmare? I'm not kidding. I ran a marathon this morning. I slept in. I'm not kidding. Here's the thing. My brother kind of gives me some stuff to do when I'm going to the gym, but he likes to kind of critique me because. My motivation has changed. I used to work out to weigh less, and now I work out to eat more. My main priority nowadays is just how much I can actually eat. Honestly, when I get into the gym, like that's the first thing I'm thinking about is like, how much can I work out right now so that I can eat more later? Genuinely, if you see me in the gym scrolling on my phone, I'm not looking at workout videos, I'm picking out dinner tomorrow. No, but seriously, I mean, I'm like one of those conditioned dogs. You know, when I hear those weight bells clanging, I'm thinking about treats. Shit. No, but it is nice. I do think I do ask my brother for workouts, and it's a little bit weird nowadays. Have you guys been to like a modern gym? It used to be like, all right, let's get some squats in, let's do some bench press. Now it's completely different. My brother goes, all right, we're gonna start out with some wood chops, and then we're gonna move to tire flips, and then we're gonna use the sledgehammer. Are we just going to pretend to be a blue-collar worker? Can you just take me to a construction site so I can actually get something done? So anyway, I slip on my Timberlands and I get to work. Yeah.